In the United States, a winter storm covered the streets and parked vehicles with a thick layer of snow. A storm that closed mountain highways in Sierra Nevada is set to push across the United States. It is expected to reach the plains by mid-week, and that will bring significant rain and below-average temperatures. A ski resort in the region was forced to shut down some operations when the brunt of the storm hit. On Saturday, it shut down mountain highways, toppled trees and triggered flood watches and avalanche warnings. More than 250 miles of the Sierra remains under a winter storm warning, at least until Sunday night. In Ketchum, Idaho, winter storms left over 20 inches of snow during the weekend. Warnings are seen across Southern California as heavy rain caused flooding in Greater Los Angeles. WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.